Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Coinbase app not working on your phone. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that your Coinbase app is not working, or maybe it's not loading, or maybe it's not letting you log in. How do you actually go ahead and fix that? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, the first thing that you can do is open up your Coinbase app. And then what you want to do from here is that you want to go ahead and swipe up and hold. And notice how it becomes a minimized window. The next thing that you can do is that you could actually go ahead and hold down the Coinbase window and swipe it up, and that'll actually delete the app. So once you go ahead and reload Coinbase, go ahead and see if that works. Now, the next thing that you can do is that on the Coinbase app, you want to go ahead and exit out, and then you want to go into the app store of your phone, and you want to go ahead and search Coinbase and see if there's an update that's required for Coinbase. So right now, right next to Coinbase, it says open. If there was an update that was required, you can just click on open and it'll go ahead and open or update your Coinbase if there was an update necessary. The other thing you can make sure of is that you do want to make sure that you're on a stable connection. So maybe you want to turn off your Wi-Fi and go in your mobile data and see if then that'll allow you to go ahead and fix your Coinbase not working on your mobile app or your mobile phone. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix your Coinbase app not working on your phone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone.